Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Mini Militia. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log out of your Mini Militia account using your iOS device, then the process is quite simple. From the main interface of Mini Militia, which looks like this, go and tap on the gear icon located at the top left. This will open up your account tab. Now, tap the logout button right next to your sign in option at the top and wait for a few seconds. Soon after you tap on the button, you'll be logged out of your Mini Militia game. That is how it can be easily done. If you want to log in back again, repeat the same process. Go to the gear icon at the top left and select one of the login method from the options between login with Facebook, sign in with Apple, or login with email, and follow through the prompts in order to log in and access your Mini Militia account. That was how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.